Hello there. My name is Kuna Kapadi, and I'm coming back at you with another video in our ongoing educational series. And this one is all about how to visualize your data in Anova. So there's really two ways to go about data visualization in our platform. One is through prompting, and two is in the tile itself. So through prompting, you can do basic visualizations and modifications to your visual. So in this example right here, I ask for 3 metrics by month, and I tell the AI to plot conversions by month in a bar chart. And as you can see, it handled that very well. So if I wanted to change this visual with just a in more of a basic way, I can also do that through a follow-up prompt. So let's say I want to do something like plot CPA instead and use a line chart. So that is something that you can handle via prompting because it's a pretty basic change to the visualization. You're just changing what metric you want to plot and the type of visual that you want to use. And as you'll see, the AI will be able to handle that very well. Okay, so for more basic changes or visualizations, like again, plotting certain dimensions, metrics in certain chart types like pie, bar, line, all can be done through prompting. But for more advanced things like creating dual access charts, adding data labels, changing color schemes, adding a title, that you can't do through prompting. That you can do in the tile itself by clicking on this little side panel. So this side panel gives you a lot more configurability and advanced things you can do with the visualization. So for example, I can obviously change the chart type, right? So let's say I want to do a combination. You can change the theming options, okay? You can also create a dual axis chart. So let's say I want to also plot conversions and I want to do this on a dual axis. So the CPA I'll do on this axis and on the right axis, and conversions will be on the left axis, right? So now I created the dual axis chart. Um, for the purposes of this example, I'm just going to take that off and just go back to a regular line chart, which I'll explain why in a second. And then there's additional things you can do here in format. So let's say, for example, I want to add a title, right? So sorry about that. So I can add a title here and then change this to CPA by month 2023. I can also, through all these different sections, there's more configurability you can do. So I can add a legend at the bottom. I can, let's say I want to add markers and a data label also, right? So this side panel is where you can do more of the advanced configurations with your visual. And then once you have it in a state that is, what you're looking for or what your team's looking for, you can save the tile, okay? And saving the tile will hold all the changes that you made either via prompting or through the side panel there. So when you save it, now in your tiles tab, you can see here CPA by month. Ignore this one. This is my test one. And you can see here that all of our changes helped. So, and obviously saving the tile also has benefit in the sense that if you want to, just refetch data or get the latest batch of results, you can do that as well through the tile and look at all the raw data as well. So there's multiple benefits to saving the tile. So, that's just an overview of how you can do data visualization in our platform. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.